This is a
Ball.
ball. Good job. Ball. How about
Boom.
this one? What is this?
Boom.
Ball? This one is a ball.
Bye.
Very good. Butter.
Bye.
Fly. Good job. What's the color of the butterfly?
Boom.
Again, what's the color? Its color?
Yay.
Its color?
Yay.
Yeah. What's the color of the butterfly? Its color?
Boom.
Blue. Good job. How about this one? What is this? It's a...
Guy.
This one? It's a...
Guy. Guy.
Kay? Anong kay? It's a duck. What does a duck say? Good job. Quack, quack, quack. What's the color of the duck? Oh, tulong. Nam nam. Pinapakain. What's the color of the duck? This duck, what's the color? Its color? Are you a monkey? Its color? Ay, walang pakialam. This one, what is this? It's a
Guy.
car? The car says boom boom. This is not a car. This is an airplane. It's an airplane. Say airplane. Airplane, airplane,
Boom.
airplane. Good job. How about this one? What is this? It's a
Guy.
puro kay. Anong kay? What is this? It's a
Ray.
ano yun?
Ray.
It's a book. What is this?
Ball.
Book! Yay! Good job! Book. Okay. Let's read your book. Look at that. Whoa. Okay. This is an alley. What's that?
Ray.
Anong wait? Puro.
Ray.
Wait, it's a monk? Yeah, a monkey says, ooh, ooh, ah, ah, ooh, ooh, ah, ah. This is a... tala. This one, oy.
Bye.
Okay. This one is an owl. The owl say,
Woo.
oh, tulong, hoo, hoo, hoo. What's that?
Guy. Guy.
Kai. Puro kai. Kai, kai, kai. This one is a
Baby.
bear. Bebe. Anong bebe? Bear. This one is a fox. Talang ka, good job. Fox. Fox. This is a
Bye.
bunny. Good job. A bunny is also called a rabbit. Yeah. A bear. Yeah, this one is a
Baby.
baby bear. Oh, you have your baby bear here. Baby bear. This is a baby bear. Ta-da! Bear. Wow. Kiss your baby bear, kiss. Ito lang. Hug, hug, hug. Oh, so sweet. Say good morning to baby bear. Good morning. Say hi to the baby on the camera.
Hi.
Hello. Say hello. Book. Book. Oh, book. Oh, ito na yung book mo. Oh, ito lang. Mama, kiss mama. Kiss mama. Oh, ito lang. Apa cute, apa cute, apa cute. Apa cute, apa cute first.